The other half, it is raining like hell. You probably can't see the rain. I'm hot there. I ain't moving. It kind of stopped raining. I can see it. If you guys were here, you were on the. You kind of see it. Will there be? Okay. Is a tornado about to happen or something? I kind of hope not. God. Okay, I'm kind of getting worried. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting nervous. Okay, I think that's my cue to go. Oh yeah, you definitely see that. God, if you can hear me, strike down that pool with a lightning bolt. And while you do that, I'm not gonna lie. I was getting kind of nervous, so I had to get my ass back up here. You guys do the screen. You guys won't feel this at all. At all. Whoa. I can go in there, but I just have a feeling that a fucking tornado might happen. Just about the sound of this wind, I have a feeling that a tornado might happen. You be good. Yo. The tree is moving. That tree's gonna knock down. Please. Give me a sign. God, please. But don't kill me though. I promise you. Please don't kill me. Please. Just give me a sign. Yep, that's my sign. Y'all don't see that? The hell is that? I'm gonna step out here. Lord, I love you. Please protect me. I am black. I am not stupid. I just don't wanna die. Pardon me, but I don't wanna die. I may say I kinda wanna die, but I do not wanna die this way. Any other way other than this. God, I love you. Please help me with this one. Just go protect me. You can strike down the trees. If once you strike down one of them trees, I am out. I'm staying in this house. I am not coming. I will be a little. I'm right here. But if you're just making it rainy and windy, I'm cool with that. But just don't make it a tornado out of this. Wait a minute. I don't have a long hair, so if a tornado's coming, I should get back inside. But how am I supposed to know when I literally have short hair? I got short hair, guys. But I don't know if a tornado's coming. That's the thing, though. Yep, that's the... This is... Look how wet this... yeah, my feet is out. I'll be good. Lord. Yo! No, all I did was my hand. And out of nowhere, I got... Yo, look how rainy this is. In the night. My feet is wet. Do not sell that on the internet. Do not sell that on the Blackberry or internet schools. Wait. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm zipping this up. I'm just trying to protect myself. Yeah. I'm trying to go the longest because the longest I got right now, I only got like 40, damn near 40. I got mostly like an hour. Almost more than half an hour. It's not an hour, but it's just like 10 minutes. Like 12 minutes. I just don't want to court for too long now. But listen, the guys that be chasing the tornadoes, this is how they be. Oh, I remember they catch a black hole, and they were literally still going towards it. If my ass would have went back, why, my guy, I gotta ask, why are you going to a tornado? Why are you trying, and the crazy thing is, they're all white. They're all white people. Not to be racist or anything, but this thing going on. Oh, white people always investigating, and then white people have a channel talking about they're chasing a tornado. But now, not neither a black person has made a channel about chasing a tornado. Never. Make it rainy again, Lord. Please. Make it a little rain. See, the rain kind of stopped. And it stopped, but it stopped. It's still drizzling a little bit. I care about you. Like, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram now. I posted a new video like a few days. I think a day or two ago. Maybe I don't know. This is crazy. Like, this is crazy. Like, I'm on Halaki. Look, this crazy. I ain't stop. That's way gates to heaven. If that's an open way to gates to heaven, hey, give me that looks like an open way to heaven. Which I am 100%. I love God, but I am not. I love you, God. I love you too. I love you, God. That's what it is. It looks like heaven, but it looks. Wait. Are y'all seeing it from the camera? From the camera that I'm seeing, it looks like it's fire. Guys. That when I was zooming into the camera, I noticed that there was like a fire movement. There was like a fire movement way, and it looked like it was fire. So I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Listen, I am not gonna end up going up and be doing no chasing tornado. Let's be honest. That's literally like if one of y'all, if like just like y'all them people that be chasing tornadoes. If one of y'all die, it's y'all fault. Because like y'all be getting yourself into trouble by chasing down tornadoes. Why are you chasing down tornadoes? Y'all doing this for views. I bet if I was out there chasing tornadoes, but I'm not stupid enough to go out there. Like, Lord, when it's coming back. But like, come on. Is it 20? Tornado. Mostly if I see a tornado. Oh God. Well, listen, I'm gonna have to end this right here. I'm supposed to end this a few minutes ago. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.